Welcome to your guide to visual fluidity, focusing on the impact of refresh rates and latency on targeting performance. Refresh rate determines the speed of the draw. Your screen draws images sequentially, and Hertz, or Hz, equals the number of images drawn per second. More images create smoother motion. The 60 Hz baseline draws 60 images per second. While this works well for basic tasks and static reading, it creates visible blur during fast motion. Smoothness involves two halves. Your GPU creates the frames, measured in FPS, and your monitor displays them, measured in Hz. They must match for perfect performance, and adaptive sync prevents torn images. Higher refresh rates help protect your vision. 60 Hz causes microflickers, making your brain work harder. 144 Hz aligns visual and eye movements, reducing daily eye strain and fatigue. The 120 Hz and 144 Hz range is the sweet spot. It delivers a new frame every 6.9 milliseconds, providing over double the visual data of 60 Hz and eliminates motion blur completely. This only requires a mid-range PC. For mobile devices, 75 Hz strikes a good balance. 144 Hz drains laptop batteries quickly, but 75 Hz provides a 25% smoothness boost over 60 Hz, making it the smart choice for portable monitors and remote work. For a competitive edge, 240 Hz Plus delivers a new frame every 4.1 milliseconds. This is built for elite esports, maximizing target tracking precision, but it demands high-end graphics cards. Keep in mind the law of diminishing returns. The leap from 60 Hz to 144 Hz offers a massive performance advantage. Going from 144 Hz to 240 Hz provides subtle fine-tuning, but latency drops matter more than raw speed. Refresh rate is part of a complete system. It doesn't fix bad posture, and motion impacts your eyes more on larger screens. Combine speed with proper desk alignment for the best results. Use this buyer's matrix to decide. 60 Hz to 75 Hz is high value for office work. 120 Hz to 144 Hz is the sweet spot for mixed use and gaming. 240 Hz Plus is a premium investment for pro esports. To experience the difference, identify your primary daily task and verify your computer's hardware limits. Invest in visual comfort and fluidity, and you will never look back.